Hi my friends, after removing all of the lug nut, you can see the wheel is not coming out, so it got stuck. So what should we do? So either we can apply lots of force. You can see the whole car is shaking, but the wheel is not coming out. Okay, should we call the mechanics or put that back, or just go for the car shop? No, we have other plan, guys. It's very easy and you just need a 1 or 2 minutes. Let's see how it's work. So you can see that area, this one and this one, just kick that out. It will work. Let's see. Okay, here we go. The wheel is off. Now we are good to go to install the new one. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And thank you so much. Have a great day.